So, good morning, everybody. The topic which I'm going to discuss today is blood relations theory and concept. This is often asked in your KMAT aptitude exam. You'll at least get 3 to 4 questions regarding blood relations. So, we'll first discuss the conceptual theory of how do we get into blood relations, and then we'll see some examples, and finally, I'll give you some workout exercises also. So before going into learning the concept of blood relation, this chart is very, very important. You will have to go in detail into this chart where I have given the that is a real relation and the connect reference I have given. Okay, so first one you can see father's or mother's daughter. That is your father's or mother's daughter is your sister. Father's or mother's son is your brother. Father's or mother's sister is your aunt. So like that, given number of relationships, this you should have a clear idea before solving the that is a relationship or that is a blood relationship problems. So please keep this in mind. Have a detailed look into all these kinds of relations which I have actually put it into this chart. You must go through this blood relation chart in a detailed manner. Do remember that paternal grandfather, paternal grandmother, father, mother, brother and sister are considered to be blood relatives. Unless mentioned otherwise, all relations are considered from the father's side. That is, grandfather will refer to your father's father, grandmother will refer to your father's mother, unless mentioned otherwise. Otherwise, it has to be mentioned in the question. That is, it is your maternal grandfather or mother's father or mother's mother, like that. Otherwise, we always assume it as our paternal grandfather, paternal grandmother. In statement-based relationship questions, so there are 3 kinds of relationship questions, but I'm just taking the ones which are being often asked in KMAT. One is a statement-based blood relationship questions, and the other one is vertical kind of relationship questions. So these two we'll see, because coding type of relationship questions generally you are not getting in KMAT. So I'm just looking on to the statement-based as well as the vertical type. In statement-based questions, a technique called backtracking is being generally applied by most of the students. So we'll see what is backtracking. Backtracking means starting from the last word and moving backwards. For example, if Nikhil said, A is the daughter of the sister of my father's only son. Nikhil said, A is the daughter of the sister of my father's only son. So then we start from the last information. What's the last information? My father's only son. My father's only son is me or Nikhil. Okay, Nikhil is making the statement. So my father's only son is Nikhil. Daughter of my sister, that means Nikhil's sister's daughter will be Nikhil's niece. So this is how we are backtracking. The last word is my father's only son. First, who is that? Second is next to that is daughter of my sister. So that you have found out that is niece. So hence A, who is mentioned by Nikhil in the statement, A is a niece of Nikhil. Another example we'll see. Pointing to a photograph, Rajan said, he is the father of my mother's only daughter. How is Rajan related to the man in the photograph? Pointing to a photograph, Rajan said, he is the father of my mother's only daughter. My mother's only daughter, and he is the father of my mother's only daughter. So how is Rajan related to the man in the photograph? My mother, so see the solution, that is we are again going the backtracking way. My mother's only daughter means my sister, that is Rajan's sister. That my is whoever is making the statement. The father of my sister is my father. Therefore the man in the photograph is Rajan's father. The next example. Introducing Anil, Amit said, he is the only son of my father's father. How is Anil related to Amit? Introducing Anil, Amit said, he is the only son of my father's father. How is Anil related to Amit? My father, so again going by the way of backtracking. So most of the statement problems in blood relation test, you can apply the backtracking method. My father's father means my grandfather. That is Amit's grandfather. Amit is making the statement. Only son of my grandfather means my father. So Anil is the father of Amit. Example 3. We are seeing different kinds of examples. Pointing to Kiran, Aarti said, her sister's only brother is my nephew. How is Aarti related to Kiran? Pointing to Kiran, Aarti said, her sister's only brother is my nephew. How is Arti related to Kiran? Nephew means that is your sister's son. Okay. So Kiran's sister's only brother means it is Kiran's brother. Kiran's sister's only brother is Kiran's brother also. So Kiran's brother is Arti's nephew. So that Arti is the aunt of Kiran. Because if Kiran's brother is a nephew of Arti, definitely Arti is the aunt of Kiran's brother as well as Kiran also. So note, if you are not given any information, we will assume all the relationship from the paternal perspective, that is from your father's perspective. Next we look upon to the next kind of questions that comes under vertical relations. Vertical relations are used to represent the relations between father, son, mother, son, etc. Whereas if the relationship is between the same generation, then the horizontal representation is being followed. We use a single arrow between relations to mark a relationship between brother and sister, and similarly double arrows to represent the relationship between husband and wife. The positive sign is used to represent males and the negative sign is used to represent females. So this concept also has to be really put up in your mind. So these are the various symbols and meanings. Positive sign in vertical relations is used to represent male, negative sign used to represent female. Double arrows shows between husband and wife or married couples. Single arrow, again that is single arrow for between brother and sister or sister, brother and brother, just you are showing two positive signs. So just let's see an example of vertical relations. C is a sister of M, L is the mother of M. So how is C related to L? So from this figure you can see C is the sister of M. So C, because it's sister, it is denoted with a negative sign. L is the mother of M. So L is also, because she is mother female, she is denoted with a negative sign. So how is C related to L? If C is the sister of M and L is a mother of M, then definitely L is a mother of C also, or C is the daughter of L. So it can be clearly seen that C is the daughter of L. The next example in vertical relations. Question is, M is the brother of N, O is the father of M, P is the brother of Q, and Q is the daughter of N. Who is the uncle of P? So here the relationships are shown like this. M is the brother of N. M and N are brothers. Okay, so that is why they are shown. And O is the father of M means O is the father of N also. So that is why O is shown here, M, N. P is the brother of Q. So this is entirely a different relationship. So Q and P. Okay, so P is represented as positive. And since it is told in the question, Q is the daughter of N. So till then we don't know what is the gender of Q. So N's daughter is Q. So that is being marked here and Q is given a negative sign. So now the question is, who is the uncle of P? So from this diagram it is seen, since M is a brother of N and Q is a daughter of N. Okay, so here M is the uncle of P, because Q and P are brother sisters. So definitely M is the uncle of P. Now let's move on to the practice exercises. Pointing to a boy in the photograph, Monica said, "His sister is the only daughter of my father. How is a boy related to Monica's father?" The options given to you are nephew, father, son, brother, and none of these. So these are the kinds of questions that is you are going to get for KMath. That is, you will be given a statement and you will be given the options. You will have to find out the right option. So you will have to quickly see how the relationship is. So here either that is you can go by backtracking method or whatever it is. So pointing to a boy in the photograph, Monica said, "His sister is the only daughter of my father." So how is the boy related to Monica's father? So the last statement is only daughter of my father, and the second statement is his sister. So only daughter of my father means, what is it? So the explanation, my father's only daughter means Monica herself. She is a sister of the boy in the photograph. This means boy is a brother of Monica. Therefore, he is a son of Monica's father. So the option is son. The next question, pointing to a girl, Kirti said, "She is a daughter of my brother's wife." How is the girl related to Kirti? nephew, niece, sister-in-law, mother, none of these. She is a daughter. Pointing to a girl, Kirti said, she is the daughter of my brother's wife. How is a girl related to Kirti? Let's see. Explanation, my brother's wife. That means it's a sister-in-law. Daughter of sister-in-law is niece. That is, the girl is the niece of Kirti. So the answer is option 2. Girl is the niece of Kirti. Another question. This is again an example of vertical relation. Sachin, who is Asha's son, said to Sarah, your father Ramesh is the elder brother of my mother, whose father's name is Arjun. How is Arjun related to Sarah? Sachin, who is Asha's son. So it is told that, so here that is we are drawing the vertical relationship. Asha, we know by the name it's female. Sachin is the son of Asha. So Sachin is being represented by positive sign. And he says to Sarah, to another person, he is telling, your father Ramesh. So Sarah's father is Ramesh. Sarah's father Ramesh is the elder brother of my mother. So Sachin's mother is Asha. So these are sister brother. Okay. And his father's name is Arjun. So see, Ramesh's father is Arjun. There, so definitely Sachin's mother's father is also Arjun. So how is Arjun related to Sarah? So now we can see Arjun is the grandfather of Sarah. Arjun has two children, Asha and Ramesh. Ramesh is the father of Sarah. Arjun is the grandfather of Sarah. The next question. Introducing Suresh, Kalpana said, his brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. How is Kalpana related to Suresh? Introducing Suresh, Kalpana said, his brother is the only son of my grandfather. How is Kalpana related to Suresh? So here again we are actually, because there is a relationship statement, so we are actually breaking the sentence. Break the sentence at is. From the last up to is. That is, the only son of my grandfather. The only son of my grandfather means it's my father. That is Kalpana's father. From the first up to is his brother's father. His brother's father. His brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. Introducing Suresh, Kalpana said his brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. So brother's father is also his father. So Suresh's father is equal to Kalpana's father. That means Suresh and Kalpana are brother sister. So answer is sister. So this is what we have seen in the that is a blood relations questions. If you want, I can send you more practice questions. So please go through these questions once again, understand the charts very well, and just work out more problems. Thank you.